Damn. Is that a fucking truck? Oh, hell no. Going slow as hell. Phone now. Might be speeding, but at least I'm using them turn signals. You gotta be careful around these corners. Police might be creeping, so you get a straight shot. I pulled over here in my AMG before. I was whipping that bitch too. I wish y'all could have seen me. Hurry up, go, 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 go. Turn, nigga. Act like nigga ain't nobody in front of you, bro. You know this stupid ass traffic all day, every day. Miami traffic, nigga, all day, every day, and it don't be for no reason at all. On bro grave, I swear to God, it don't be for no reason. It don't be no motherfucking accident. It don't be no police. Ain't nobody pulled over. None of that shit. Motherfucker just drive slow as hell right here every time. I don't know why. Everybody drives slow as dumb, goofy as hell. Now I gotta goddamn bully my way up here. Who the fuck is just calling me? I don't know you. Bully my way up here just to get the fuck over. And get as far as possible away from that slow ass lane. That's what we just did. Come on, man, let the beast out. Let the beast out. Y'all don't mind me, I'm high. Come on now. Don't be thinking I'm crazy, I'm just high, that's all. It ain't crazy, it's high. Hungry, happy, sleepy, that's what we do. Hellcat, SRT. Yeah, I'm cutting up with Mr. Hellcat. I caught a Hellcat on the freeway, y'all. I'm cutting up with Doggy. He got that purple motherfucker. That motherfucker hard. On 4 now. I didn't even know he got the emblems off the side. I didn't know it was a cat. I said, is that a cat? I seen that hood. I said, that's a cat. I don't know what I'm saying. So we just whipping through motherfucking traffic right now, man. Some slice shit. That's crazy. You know, sometimes traffic just don't allow you to cut up how you want to cut up. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes that's just how it be. I don't know why, but ain't nothing you could do for real. Like, they gonna think I want a Grammy. They gonna think I want a Grammy. Oh, now we in deadlock traffic. bad y'all had to roll the windows up. Y'all see the ocean? Y'all see that motherfucking ocean, nigga? This ain't no joke, nigga. Y'all see the ocean, nigga? I don't fall down. Stop playing. Y'all see the whole shit, motherfucker, right there. That shit be kind of scary sometimes. I don't know if I like it. Shit, this motherfucker's so nasty. This motherfucker's too nasty, boy. God damn, that motherfucker retarded. And this is stop. This no mods at all. Like, nothing no modded on here. Not the exhaust, nigga. On the gas, boy. I'ma have to get my shit right, though. I've been on I had it a week. I think today is a week, or yesterday was a week. I really literally had it a week, so I ain't really did shit to it yet, but I don't know if I wanna. I'm probably gonna do the same shit I did on the GLE. I'm probably gonna do the muffler first, since it's like one of the quickest things I could do, and then do the cosmetic shit, like do the rapping shit after. We pulling up to the barber shop though. I'm trying to get in front of this nigga. He act like he don't want to get me over. Show goofy ass on somewhere, man. He on the 3-wheel motherfucker. That motherfucker decent though. I cruise that bitch. Only reason I don't like motorcycles because I ain't finna be balancing, and fuck that. I want to sit, cruise, and ride. So that shit look cool as hell to me. I had some fun on that motherfucker. And it ain't like the other shit. What's that shit? A Stingray? That motherfucker got to drive. No, I want to ride that bitch. Like, steer that bitch. Like a bike. Like, you know? That's how we do it. We go on their ass. Fast and Furious. Mako Diesel. I'm whipping. At the police right there. I don't know. We gonna see though. Maserati. That bitch raw. I fuck with it. I wouldn't drive it, but I fuck with it. I like that Maserati. The new one that go with the doors up. That bitch hard. On 4 down grade. You know what I'm saying? Right here off the, you know? This North Miami Beach right here. Is that the police? I don't see no 911 shit. I ain't no police. They got QR codes on the back of their shit. What the hell that say? Miami something. That's one of them. You see that little moped? That's what scratched my motherfucking wheel the other day. Well, when I first got, like, my second day I got this bitch. And that shit always happen. Every time I get a new car, the first, like, as soon as I get it, like, the first week or the first few days, shit like that, like, that motherfucker be, something always go wrong, like, some stupid ass shit. Come on, folks. I need to be driving slow as hell for no reason. There's no reason to be going 20 miles an hour right now. Like, zero reason. I don't give a fuck how many people driving over here. There's no reason to be going 10 miles an hour right now. Like, the fuck, nigga. No, he driving stupid. Me and Miami, do this for none. The best buy. Look, y'all, the feds outside. The feds outside. I gotta watch out for them feds. No, I'm just bullshitting. Oh, what that is? A scat or a Hemi? Okay then. I park next to him, dog. My brother, my Mopar brethren. I don't know. Shit. I don't know what the hell going on. Oh, it's only one spot. I'm thinking like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? I don't know why people when like people, I be seeing people in a Hellcat and they see a scat pack be like, bitch ass scat pack, you can't keep up with me, but like it's all the same shit, bro. We in it's a little Mopar community gang. Like, who gives a fuck? And just cause you see a nigga in a scat do not mean that bitch not faster than your cat. So I don't know why people be even giving a fuck for real about what another man driving. But we at Best Buy. We got our cat outside, you know what I'm saying? We got our black cat outside. That's what it is right now. It's the black cat. It's gonna turn into the bright cat real soon. So y'all just stay tuned for that. But for right now, it's the black cat. And we low-key matching the black cat. Okay, with the black and white, don't play. Uh-oh, wrong key. Sorry, got so many. Ski! Let's get it.